Compressor challenge. Josh thinks he can actually get inside a compressor. Go on then, mate. Go on then. I'm going to shut lid once you're in.
No, not yet. Like that. Oh. Just don't go down now, like.
I'm going to try it.
Go on then.
Watch your head.
Yeah. Oh, see, I told you I can get in it.
Yeah, alright, shut lid properly, yeah. I've got a shut lid, so get your head somewhere where I can shut lid. Hold on, can't pull that tape away. See? Won't shut.
Yeah, but
So you have to wiggle about a little bit so you can, so I can shut lid.
Ah, wait, your leg, you dickhead.
I'm not a dickhead, you're in comp.
Go straight now. Come on. Come on. Oh, nearly.
Right. Come on then, wiggle about some more, let's see if we can get it shut.
No, I don't think we can.
Oh, you said you could?
Yeah, I thought there were more space inside it.
Well, I reckon you need to lay down there. Down there, look.
Yeah.
Right, and put your legs up. I reckon that's how you'll do it, because your torso is bigger. Yeah. So, I reckon you'll be able to do it then.
I'll have a look.
I reckon you'll do it, mate. I do, honestly.
I'm good if I could, though, wait. No, I'm not fitting there.
Of course you will.
Oh, you guys, get it. Take battery out.
No, I can't take nothing out, you so you can get comp. Not dismantling comp, just so you can go in it.
Who's going to have to...
I reckon you will get in, mate. Just need to bend it a little bit.
No, see, I'm not a bendy person. What's that? I can't go in. Wait.
See, you're thinking about it now, aren't you?
No.
Oh, so you're alright?
No.
So you're thinking about it now. It's like playing Twister, innit?
Yeah, with a compressor. What, like that?
See, you're thinking about things.
Right. I'm not fitting that.
Right. So have a go then. Obviously you need to bend your head down.
Yeah. Ah! No.
Oh no, no.
No, I'm not able to get in it, I reckon. Ah. We'll have to check that one, it's charged mail.
Oh, what's up here, stuck?
Well, I can't fit in it.
Does that end at compressor challenge then?
Yeah.
Oh, we're not bad.